TemPositions has created a few tips to help you get through these hard times. When we are experiencing overwhelm and stress, one of the first and probably most important steps you can take is to distinguish the facts from our interpretation. We all experience stress and anxiety differently. What stresses you out most likely doesn't stress me out, vice versa. Stress triggers can come in all different shapes and forms, from lions, tigers, and bears to project deadlines, parenting, social media, bills, not getting enough sleep, worrying about the future. The list is endless. Our bodies react to stress by going into survival mode, regardless the danger level of threat we are facing. So whether you are met with a roaring lion or an email from your boss that says, "We need to talk," you still experience the elevated heart rate, sweaty palms, and anxiety. Although some of our stressors are in fact life-threatening, COVID-19, most of the time our feelings of stress and overwhelm are based on our own thoughts and perceptions, i.e., we need to talk doesn't always mean you're getting fired. One way to do this is to first identify what is stressing you out in the moment. It helps to write it down. Then ask yourself, is my concern about blank, whatever you wrote, an actual fact or my perception of the situation? Would anyone on the outside see it differently? If so, how can I see it differently? Then choose to reframe your thoughts. This strategy will help change your fear-based thoughts into empowering ones. The choice is yours.